What's better than coming inside after a snowy day and having some hot cocoa? But wait, after hot cocoa, what can we do? Well, get yourself a bowl, a tablespoon measuring spoon, a half-cup measuring cup, oat milk or other type of milk, cornstarch, and cocoa powder. First, a half cup of cornstarch and pour it into the bowl. Next, a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add that to the cornstarch in the bowl and gently mix. Next, add a third cup of oat milk or some other type of milk and place it in your microwave. Have an adult help you because this could get hot. About 20 seconds just to warm up the milk. Next, after the adult has helped you, you can add the warmed milk into the cornstarch and cocoa powder mixture. It smells just like hot chocolate. Yum! Note, if for some reason it seems a little bit too watery, you can add a little bit more cornstarch. This will start to become a form, and you'll notice as you hold it, it loses its solid and it becomes more slimy. But don't worry, this cleans up with soap and water just as easy. After you're done playing, you can also store it in a dry container with a lid. For more fun, you could also add mini chocolate chips or mini marshmallows. So fun. There you have it. Create your own hot cocoa slime. Be sure to subscribe to our Manlius Library YouTube channel for more ideas that you can have fun indoors this winter.